Welcome to WMTR. Westmoreland Mechanical Testing and Research Incorporated is recognized as a world leader in testing materials for the aerospace, automotive, nuclear, and medical industries, with over 41 years of building a reputation for excellence. The business of WMTR is to provide independent materials testing services with the highest degree of professionalism and proficiency. We stand ready to engage our equipment and expertise to get you the results your customers require. The laboratories of WMTR are organized into 8 advanced groups: mechanical testing, stress rupture and creep testing, fracture mechanics, mechanical and electronic engineering, physical metallurgy group, fatigue testing, chemical analytical group, and the manufacturing technologies division. Quick turnaround, reliable results, and a quality system that is second to none will be a substantial competitive advantage for your company. Dedicated to a philosophy of continuous improvement, WMTR is constantly seeking out new technologies and methods to make our service to you better, quicker, and more cost-effective. Westmoreland Mechanical Testing and Research Incorporated was established in 1967. The main labs and headquarters are located about 45 miles east of Pittsburgh in Youngstown, Pennsylvania. Facilities at this location cover close to 150,000 square feet. WMTR also owns and operates a materials testing facility in Banbury, United Kingdom, with a staff of 20 materials testing professionals. Industries served by WMTR include aerospace, with approvals by the following companies, including NADCAP accreditation. Material testing for the automotive industry has included work for the big 3 U.S. auto manufacturers and also for Honda. Westmoreland Mechanical Testing and Research maintains ISO 17025 certification through A2LA. WMTR is also a leading participant in the U.S. CAR, U.S. AMP project, having performed mechanical testing on many new and exotic materials. We have served the nuclear industry in both the power generation and Navy nuclear fields. Customers served have included Westinghouse, Bechtel Bettis, Knowles Atomic Power Laboratory, General Electric, and Allegheny Technologies. Composites are proving to be an exciting and growing market being served by WMTR. Applications include power generation, marine vehicles, and aircraft. Fracture toughness testing. WMTR's Fracture Toughness Department has established a world-renowned reputation for dependable fracture toughness testing. The Fracture Lab is designed to meet the demand for high-volume, quick turnaround projects required by the aerospace, power generation, nuclear, and automotive industries. Testing equipment for fracture toughness testing includes over 250 servo machines, which cover a range of load capacities up to 1 million pounds. Tests are performed at temperatures ranging from liquid helium to over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Various controlled conditions or atmospheres include salt water, argon, vacuum, and high humidity. The Fracture Toughness Department primarily performs the K1C test for ASTM E399, which includes disc shape, arc tension, arc bend, single-edged bend, and compact tension. Additional fracture mechanics-based services include J1C, K1E, surface crack tension, R-curve, KIV, short rod and short bar, crack tip opening displacement, KISCC, and K-salt stress corrosion. We have the unique ability to test large MT panels up to 30 inches wide. The MT test can also be conducted at cryogenic temperatures. Reports are automatically generated using our innovative database system, which can be transferred directly and securely to your database system. Fatigue testing. Westmoreland Mechanical Testing and Research is an acknowledged leader in the field of fatigue testing. No one can compare with our versatility. WMTR's substantial on-site capabilities allow us to customize high and low cycle fatigue testing for your unique, one-of-a-kind projects. To ensure the best turnaround time for your testing, we design and machine our own specialized grips and fixtures. For unique testing needs, we have the people, resources, experience, and testing capacity to get the job done right. Do you need testing on full-size components or assemblies? WMTR has designed and executed tests on automotive components, aircraft supports, and landing gear assemblies. Additionally, machining specimens from exotic or difficult material is not a problem for our in-house machine shop. Our fatigue department is involved with a diverse array of fastener tests, such as fatigue, tensile, wedge tensile, double shear, stress rupture, stress durability, microstructure, and chemical analysis. To achieve the best in performance, all of our tests may be run under proprietary computer data acquisition. This allows us to obtain data on how a material changes in response to fatigue loading. Manufacturing Technologies Division. The Manufacturing Technologies Division encompasses an amazing array of high technology. CNC mills, CNC lathes, layout and cut up, wire and plunge EDM capability, surface and cylindrical grinding, including NADCAP accreditation for low-stress grinding and polishing. All of this machining capacity is located on-site to ensure quick turnaround on specimen preparation. Our reputation for quality machining and superior turnaround times brings us production work from other laboratories and mills. In addition to machining standard specimens, WMTR has the proven ability and resources on site to custom design and machine fixturing for testing finished parts, off shapes, and difficult exotic materials. We are constantly seeking out new machining technologies and methods to make our service to you better, quicker, and more cost-effective. Quality assurance. WMTR has established a rigorous quality assurance program for the conduct of work under its jurisdiction. Our quality system, accredited by NADCAP and A2LA for mechanical and chemical testing, assures that all test specimens are properly handled, machined, tested, examined, and inspected in accordance with your requirements. This mission of the Quality Assurance Department is to maintain our established standards of quality and for the development and application of systems and procedures necessary to meet or exceed the quality requirements of our customers. The Quality Assurance Department conducts frequent and vigorous internal audits to ensure the highest possible level of quality in support of the services we provide you. Inspection and Metrics Department. The Inspection and Metrics Department maintains the highest standard of technique and equipment to ensure accurate and reliable reporting of dimensional characteristics on specimens, fixturing, and in some cases, actual components. Aside from standard measuring devices such as micrometers, calipers, digital indicators, and an optical comparator, the Inspection and Metrics Department utilizes advanced technology, including a non-contact optical measuring machine, coordinate measuring machine, and a RAM non-contact optical coordinate measuring machine. Measurement data is also channeled back to production management for statistical process control purposes, thereby ensuring the highest quality of specimen preparation. WMTR's Data Management Inspection Matrix and Specimen Barcode Identity System captures measurement results at the point of inspection. Data is transferred to the appropriate testing program electronically. This fully integrated information safeguard was developed in-house to effectively control the quality of data delivered to the testing laboratories. Stress rupture and creep testing. Stress rupture and creep tests are conducted at temperatures up to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit, most commonly to ASTM E139 or ASTM 292. Anticipating the need to accommodate various specimen sizes, WMTR has over 250 stress rupture and creep test frames capable of loads up to 6,000 pounds and 30,000 pounds. Temperature and creep data are continuously monitored and digitally recorded to ensure the utmost accuracy in reporting your test results. Creep testing captures and analyzes strain readings up to 7,200 times per hour. This data is utilized to maintain temperature tolerances during the test and to create a unique temperature history report. Stress rupture and creep tests are performed on round or flat specimens with gauge lengths ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. Tensile and compression testing. WMTR has the capacity to conduct tensile and compression tests with loads as low as 10 grams and up to 1 million pounds. Testing software developed by WMTR allows us the capability to run standard tests and full stress-strain tests at various strain rates, crosshead speeds, load ranges, and strain ranges as your requirements demand. In addition to standard size specimens, we have developed the expertise in preparing and testing round micro-size specimens and also very thin gauge sheet specimens. Testing may be conducted in various atmospheres with temperatures that range from liquid helium to over 2,100 degrees Fahrenheit. Impact testing. Impact testing includes both Sharpie and IZOD configurations. The Sharpie test is conducted on instrumented machines capable of measuring less than 1 foot-pound up to 300 foot-pounds. Specimen types include notch configurations such as V-notch, U-notch, keyhole notch, as well as unnotched and ISO V-notch. Dynamic tear testing has a wide range of research and development applications. This test is used to study the effects of metallurgical variables, like heat treatment, composition, and processing methods. Manufacturing processes, such as welding, can be effectively evaluated for their effect on dynamic tear fracture resistance. Research and Development. The Research and Development Department of WMTR has an extensive range of testing capabilities, including spectrum fatigue, fatigue crack growth rate, and elastic plastic fracture toughness. We have the capability of testing fatigue specimens under variable amplitude load or spectrum loading in environments ranging from cryogenic to elevated temperature. The R&D department continues to design and maintain all of the cutting-edge automated testing systems that set WMTR apart from the competition. Should you have the need, we have extensive experience in developing testing protocols for custom specimen designs, components, and fasteners. WMTR is very active in the development of elastic plastic fracture toughness testing. This test is exceptionally useful for material comparison, selection, and quality control applications. Values obtained using this test method include J1C, K1C, and CTOD. Creating data acquisition and analysis programming is one more way we stay ahead of the competition. WMTR is not dependent upon outside software vendors to supply new programs for new standards or upgrading software for updated standards. The Metallography Lab. The metallographic labs at WMTR are designed to meet all common and specialized needs, from lot release and material overcheck testing to failure analysis on test specimens, finished parts, and fasteners. Conventional specimen preparation and automated polishing procedures using 1 1/4 to 2-inch diameter compression mounts ensures superior edge retention and flatness of specimens. Experienced, qualified technicians and metallurgists work closely with the analytical and physical testing groups to provide an overall view of material characteristics so that even the most difficult problems can be identified and solved quickly. WMTR is certified to ISO 17025 for Brinell hardness testing, Rockwell BCE and F, superficial hardness testing, and Knoop and Vickers microhardness testing. Chemical analysis. The Chemical Analysis Group of WMTR works closely with the physical and metallographic laboratories as a problem-solving tool in case of material failures. Additional analytical testing includes material overcheck tests, referee tests, and product verification tests as an independent source. Spectrometer technology is utilized in conjunction with ICP and graphite furnace AA to ensure quick turnaround by eliminating the need for lengthy wet chemical tests. Carbon, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen analysis is performed using LICO instrumentation. Westmoreland Mechanical Testing and Research is an acknowledged leader in alternate immersion stress corrosion testing for the aerospace, automotive, and materials industries. Salt fog testing is conducted in accordance with ASTM B117. This testing can also be conducted with the time introduction of sulfur dioxide. In conjunction with the SO2 test, WMTR utilizes state-of-the-art humidity chamber technology for either a static or programmable humidity temperature environment. Heat treatment. WMTR has the capabilities to heat treat material to various conditions on site. For ferrous alloys, our radiant furnaces and environmental chambers can accomplish normalizing, hardening, and tempering up to 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, and cryogenic treatments down to minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit. For non-ferrous alloys, our forced convection furnaces can accomplish solutioning, annealing, and artificial aging up to 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Confidence in electronic data acquisition is accomplished by linking all furnaces using proprietary software developed at WMTR. Data can be captured in a tabular format or in a temperature versus time plot. Data management. WMTR leads the field in developing material testing software and systems. Our in-house staff of programmers and hardware technicians maintains a vast network of administrative, production, testing, and research computer systems. The data management staff works closely with our engineering and technical support teams to design and write innovative, one-of-a-kind testing software to meet unique customer requirements. Having this capability on site greatly reduces the turnaround time from concept to results. WMTR's proprietary internet link allows you to track your project through the process, and even receive test results securely online. Mechanical engineering. The mechanical engineering team at WMTR are specialists in the product evaluation of actual and prototype components and sub-assemblies. From custom design and fabrication of fixturing to conducting the test, our mechanical engineering staff has the experience and resources to assist the various testing departments in getting you your data in an efficient and timely manner. The innovativeness of these engineers, along with the ever-evolving needs of our customers, means there is no end in sight for what this experienced and talented group can do. Thank you for your time to allow us to tell you just part of the Westmoreland Mechanical Testing and Research story. We hope you visit our website at www.wmtr.com for further information on how we can help you with your material testing requirements.